Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door beam in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door bin. The door bin allows for an additional useful storage space on the refrigerator door. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it cracks and no longer stays in place, or if the front portion of the bin breaks off, making it practically useless. Open the door, pull up and remove the old bin. This is the old refrigerator door bin next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new door bin in. Peel the protective film off. And then close the door. And plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.